Come make another one over here.
Follow me, Isabella. I'll do the turn and you do what I do again. Okay? You're going to do what I do again. Follow me.
Watch out, there's a car. Oh, it's not coming this way.
She's so upright. It's so funny.
She's like totally stuck.
I wish I'd zoom. Oh, watch out for the car.
That was really close.
Oh, watch out for the people. Good job, Isabella! Awesome job!
You're a turning fool.
You get thumbs up. Thumbs up, Isabella.
Hey, she should keep 2 hands on them. Okay, let's go park.